multigrain atta. This is silver coin which is available here in Africa. To prepare the chapati dough, we use this kind of utensil. In India, this is called parantha. Around 4 to 5 cups of multigrain atta. Make a hole in the center. Around 1 cup of water. I don't knead the dough with lukewarm or hot water, just with plain water. Around 1 cup more. So this is 5 cups of flour and around 2 cups of water I have added till now. Little by little I will be adding the water. Keep kneading the dough just like this, adding little water at a time. Never add all of the water at once. From the corners also, take all the flour from the corners too. Your utensil should be neat and clean after you finish kneading the dough. No more water is needed now. I will use only a little oil. To knead the best dough, I am adding only 1 teaspoon of oil or shortening or ghee. As you can see, I am using only one hand to knead the dough. Cover this dough for about 5 to 10 minutes, or you can start using the dough right after kneading. It's been around 5 minutes. Now I'm going to make chapatis.